Okay, good morning everybody. Which page? Page number? Which page number? Nobody knows. Which chapter?
Ma'am, 74.
74. Very good. And paragraph?
Ma'am, last para.
Yes, the third para. Okay, so put the date on it. Put the date. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, Maddie, she was filled with guilt for teasing Vanda. Okay. Now she's not interested that Peggy should continue teasing and wanted that Peggy should stop teasing her because a day might come when even Maddie would be teased by Peggy as she belonged to a poor family. Goodness, wasn't there anything she could do if only she could tell Vanda she hadn't meant to hurt her feelings? Okay, now she was filled with guilt and remorse, and she thinks that is anything she could do for Vanda, है ना? और वो सोच रही थी if she could go to Vanda and tell her that though she was there with Peggy, but she did not want to hurt her feelings. She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy, but Peggy did not look up. Okay. And then she turns around and she saw glance means she just gave a look to Peggy, but Peggy, she did not look up. Okay. Giving a look समझ में आया? एक नजर भर के उसको देखा उसने, एक नजर डाली पैगी के ऊपर, but Peggy, she did not look up. She seemed to be studying hard, and Peggy, she was busy studying. She did not look. Whether Peggy felt badly or not, Maddie, had to do something. Okay. Now see this girl Maddie, she did not like that Vanda should be teased. Why? Because she herself belonged to a poor family and she thought if Vanda can be teased by Peggy, a day would soon come even when she would also be teased by Peggy. Okay, and now she wanted that as Vanda had gone, the teacher had said that they had shifted to a big city. So she wanted that she should go to Vanda and tell her that she's really sorry as she did not want to hurt her feelings. Okay, and then while thinking all these things, Peggy was sitting next to her. She turned around, looked at Peggy. Okay, but Peggy, she did not look up at Maddie. Why? Because she was studying. Well, whether Peggy felt badly or not, but Maddie, had to do something. Now she says whether Peggy, she really felt for teasing Vanda or not. She really felt guilty for teasing her. It hardly mattered to her now, but now Maddie, she felt very much guilty and she wanted to do something. Following better?
Yes, ma'am.
She had to find Vanda Petronovsky. अब उसको इतना बुरा लगा कि चाहे पैगी को बुरा लगे नहीं लगे, लेकिन वो उसको तो जरूर बुरा लग रहा था and she wanted to be sorry जो भी teasing वगैरह उन लोगों ने करी. ओके और अब वो चाहती थी कि किसी तरह वेंडा पेट्रोनिस्की उसको मिल जाए and she might ask sorry. Maybe she had not yet moved away. Maybe Peggy would climb the heights with her and they would tell Wanda she had won the contest, that they thought she was smart and the 100 dresses were beautiful. Now see, maybe means she keeps thinking or usko lagta hai maybe there is some possibility. Okay, maybe means some possibility. हो सकती है she did not move away means she did not move away to another city. Maybe even Peggy would come with Maddie to the Bogan Heights where she lived and they both would tell Vanda that she had won the contest and all her 100 dresses were beautiful. Now she's thinking, okay, there might be some chance, okay, There might be some possibility, maybe they may find Venda, okay, maybe Peggy would come with her and they would tell her that she had won the contest and the dresses were really beautiful. When school was dismissed, and now she was thinking all these things, okay, हो सकता है मैं जाके देखूं, शायद वो वहां पर है, हो सकता है पैगी आ जाए मेरे साथ और हम दोनों उसको ये हैप्पी न्यूज दें कि उसने कॉन्टेस्ट जीत लिया है एंड 100 ड्रेसेस वास्तव में ब्यूटीफुल है. When school was dismissed in the afternoon, Peggy said with pretended casualness, "Hey, let's go and see if that kid has left town or not." Okay. अब when the school was dismissed, जो मैं पैगी होती है ना वो pretend करती है थोड़ा सा, okay, she acts and बड़े casual manner में कहती है, let us go and see if Venda has left the town or not. So Peggy had the same idea. Maddie glowed. Now Maddie glowed means she became quite happy कि Peggy, even she was thinking the same thing whatever Maddie was thinking. Okay, Maddie काफी sorry feel कर रही थी, काफी guilty feel कर रही थी, and when Peggy says let us go and see, okay, if Venda has left the town, so she feels happy कि चलो at last even she is feeling sorry for her act. Peggy was really all right. The two girls, okay, Peg means Peggy, okay, really all right, मतलब she was not too bad, okay, Maddie को लगता है हाँ इतनी खराब भी नहीं है, it was just a joke. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
The two girls hurried out of the building up the street towards Boggins Heights, and the part of the town that wore such a forbidding air on this kind of a November afternoon, drizzly, damp, and dismal. Okay, अब two girls जो थी, they came out of the school building, Boggins Heights की तरफ जाती हैं वो, ठीक है, और आफ्टरनून जो थी बड़ी ड्रिजली डैम्प और डिसमिल थी, यानी बड़ी वेट थी, कुछ रेनिंग हुई होगी एंड इट वाज वेरी डिसमिल, काफी सैड सा लग रहा था. ओके, मींस मैडी को बड़ा खराब सा लग रहा था, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि उसके अंदर होप कम थी कि वेंडा उसको मिल जाएगी. वेल एट लीस्ट सेड पैगी ग्रफली. ग्रफली मींस रूडली, इन अ रूड मैनर. I never did call her a foreigner, make fun of her name. I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And gee, look how she can draw. Okay. अब पैगी जो है बड़े रूड मैनर में, थोड़े से रूड उसका टोन था. कहते हैं I never did call her a foreigner, make fun of her. कहते हैं मैं, वो कहती है I did not make fun of her. I did not call her a foreigner. As she was a Polish immigrant, I did not call her a foreigner. मैंने उसको foreigner नहीं बुलाया, ना ही मैंने उसके नाम का make fun of her name, उसके नाम का I did not make any kind of fun. Okay. और मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि उसके अंदर इतना सेंस है कि उसको ये समझ में आ जाए that she may understand that we were making fun of her. Okay, मुझे लगा she is senseless. Okay, she is not sensible. Okay, she does not have so much of sense. Or I always thought that she was dumb. She was very quiet. But look how beautiful drawing she had drawn. Maddie could say nothing. All she hoped was that they would find Venda. Okay, Maddie, she did not answer her. Only her hope was to find Venda. She wanted to tell her that they were sorry they had picked on her and how wonderful the whole school thought she was. And please not to move away and everybody would be nice. Okay. अब वो यही चाहती थी that they would both will feel sorry for their behavior, that they teased her, they made fun of her, and the whole school thought that she was really a wonderful student, and Maddie will ask her not to move away, and everybody wanted that she should be back, okay? And everybody would be very nice to her. She and Peggy would fight anybody who was not nice. Or she is thinking all these things. समझ में आया? Maddie ये सब सोच रही है कि when I'm going to meet Vanda right now, I'll tell her we are very sorry for her act. We are not going to tease her anymore. And even the whole school, is praising her. They wanted her back and nobody will tease her. And if anybody teases her, then me and Vanda are there to support her. The two girls hurried on. They hoped to get to the top of the hill before dark. Okay, and the two girls, after the school, they were quite late, so they started walking very fast. Why? Because they wanted to reach Boggan's Heights, where she lived, and before it gets dark, they wanted to reach there and return back. I think that's where the Petroniskis live, said Maddie, pointing a little white house. Up they reached the Boggan's Height, और a white house was there. तो मैडी जो है पॉइंट करती है कि वेंडा यहीं रहती थी. Wisp of old grass stuck up here and there. Okay, wisp is a dry grass. Dry होता है ना, सूखी घास. Okay, so it was sticking up here and there along the pathway like thin kittens. The house and its parts, little yard, looked shabby but clean. Okay, अब जो घर था और उसका स्पार्ट्स था, है ना, जो थोड़ा बहुत एम्प्टी यार्ड था, वो थोड़ा shabby लग रहा था, but it was quite clean. It reminded Maddie of Vanda's one dress, a faded blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. Okay, और एकदम से वो shabby यार्ड देखकर, है ना, जो बहुत ग्रीन वगैरह नहीं था, लेकिन it was quite clean, faded था, वो देख के Maddie, she remembers the faded blue dress that Vanda always put when she came to school. There was not a sign of life above the house. Peggy knocked firmly on the door. Now, not a sign means not a single person could be seen all around. And then Peggy, she started knocking on the door, but there was no answer. No answer was there. Why? Why there wasn't any answer from the house?
Because ma'am, no one in house.
Yes, very good. Because they had left the place and they have moved to a big city. So there was no answer. She and Maddie went around to the backyard and knocked there. Now they went to the back portion. They knocked there. Still there was no answer. There was no doubt about it. The Petroniskis were gone. Now there were no doubts. Doubt की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं थी. Petroniskis जो थे, they had already gone. How could they ever make amends? Okay, now how they are going to make amends means how now they are going to feel sorry. Okay, they thought of saying sorry, feeling sorry, but now how they are going to make these amends? They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. Now no option they had, nobody was there. They turned and they just returned. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she has gone now, so what can we do? Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawing. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Now see, Peggy, she is somewhat, she remains in some attitude always, okay, arrogant type of a girl. She was an arrogant one. She says, well, anyway, she has gone now, so what can we do? कहती anyways, वो तो चली गई, अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Besides, when I was asking her about all the dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. Okay, and वो कहती है, how did she make so many drawings, okay, of 100 dresses? कि whenever I used to ask her about the dresses, ना, जब भी मैं उससे dresses के बारे में पूछती थी, उसकी different dresses के बारे में पूछती थी जब, तो उसको आइडियाज मिल जाते थे बहुत. समझ गए? उसको आइडिया, she used to get many ideas. Why? She used to describe me different dresses. She has to, because she was being put a question by me. और इस वजह से she got many ideas. She made so many drawings, different drawings, beautiful of beautiful dresses, and that was the reason she won the contest. Otherwise, she wouldn't have won the contest. समझ में आया? Ishika, mute the speaker. Mute the speaker, Ishika Jain. They don't even listen. I have to mute. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood? Now Peggy was in somewhat attitude, okay? कहती उसको तो आइडियाज मिलते ही नहीं. उसको तो आइडियाज क्यों मिले? क्योंकि अक्सर मैं उससे पूछती रहती थी 100 ड्रेसेस के बारे में, उसकी ड्रेसेस के बारे में. तो उसको मुझे बताना होता था कि मेरे पास ये ड्रेस है, वो ड्रेस है, इमेजिन करके, एंड लाइक दिस शी गॉट द आइडियाज. ओके, और इसलिए शी मेड डिफरेंट ड्राइंग्स ऑफ 100 ड्रेसेस, ब्यूटीफुल ओके ड्राइंग शी मेड, और इस वजह से शी वन द कॉन्टेस्ट. अदरवाइज यदि मैं उससे नहीं पूछती तो वो नहीं जीतती. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head, for if there was anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. But that night she could not get to sleep. Okay? अब मैडी के दिमाग में भी उसने उसका ये आइडिया वगैरह सुन लिया, लेकिन there wasn't anything कि भाई she had to feel bad or something like that. पर whole night Maddie was not able to sleep. She thought about Vanda and a faded blue dress के बारे में सोचती रही, उसके छोटे से घर के बारे में सोचती रही where she lived, and she thought of the glowing picture of those 100 dresses made all lined up in the classroom, and she was thinking about all those beautiful 100 dresses that were displayed in the class. At last, Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. और finally जो है Maddie बेड में बैठ जाती है, अपना सिर पकड़ लेती है, pressed her head tight in her hands, and she really started thinking. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done. Okay, she never got so many thoughts in her mind ever. Okay, these were the hardest thoughts that she was getting. इतना ज्यादा उसने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. Why? She never felt guilty about anything. She never felt sorry, okay, on teasing a poor person. This was the hardest thing she had ever done. After a long time और बहुत सोचने के बाद she reached to an important conclusion. Okay, clear up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. Now, she is not going to accompany Peggy. She will not stand next to her and she will not say anything. कुछ नहीं बोलेगी अब. ओके, उसको इतना फील हुआ. Enough, बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, beta. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.